Why is AI bias awareness critical for schools? Imagine a classroom where some students are unfairly judged or overlooked because of how a computer program sees them. That's what can happen if we don't pay attention to artificial intelligence bias. Schools are starting to use AI for grading, personalized lessons, and tracking progress. But if these tools have hidden biases, they might unfairly favor some students and disadvantage others. AI bias happens when the data used to train these systems isn't fair or complete. For example, if an AI system learns mostly from data about students from one cultural background, it might not understand or fairly assess students from different cultures. This can lead to wrong recommendations or inaccurate grades for some students. Bias can also come from missing information, like dialects or languages that aren't well represented in the training data. When that happens, AI might not recognize or fairly evaluate students who speak differently or come from diverse backgrounds. It's important for educators to be aware of AI bias so they can check if the tools they use are fair. They should ask questions about where the data comes from and how the AI makes decisions. If they see bias, they can demand better data or choose tools that include diverse information. Teachers can also teach students about AI bias, helping them understand how technology can sometimes be unfair and why it's important to question what they see. Being aware of bias helps schools promote fairness and make sure all students get equal opportunities. It also encourages collaboration with AI developers and policymakers to create better, more inclusive systems. Teachers can look for AI tools that are trained on diverse data sets, which are more likely to serve all students well. They can also use transparency as a guide, asking for clear explanations of how AI makes decisions. In the end, understanding AI bias is about making sure technology supports every learner fairly. It's about preventing unfair treatment and helping students succeed regardless of their background. When schools pay attention to bias, they can use AI as a helpful tool instead of one that unintentionally deepens existing inequalities. This awareness is a key step in creating an education system that is truly fair and inclusive for everyone.